Hello, my name is Jennifer Tarango, and today I'm going to share with you a few tips on how you can keep your Color Street manicure looking pretty longer. So this manicure is 9 days old. This is day 9 for it, and let's see. You can kind of see on the edges. I have a little bit, so it's just kind of it's hard to see, but it just starts a little bit recedes at the end. And so I'm going to show you how you can fix that. So let's look at what I do for that. Okay, so when I have some wear, like just at the edge of this ring finger here, what I like to do is I just like to come in and just clip just that little part off. So I find that this works better than filing, just because if you file, you can kind of tear up the edge of that nail polish, which you don't want to do. So I like to just clip just right at the edge. So you can see how that just cleaned up the edge of that nail. So now it's like brand new. So I would just go and I do that to each of my nails so that they are nice and look fresh. So then the only sign that I've had them on for a while is the grow out. The second tip I want to share with y'all is if you have lifting at the base where your cuticle is, then you want to take a Q-tip with a little bit of nail polish remover on it and then just press it down. So if when you're running through your fingers through your hair, or you are washing your hair, then and it's getting stuck underneath, then you want to just take that little bit of nail polish remover on a Q-tip and just press it down along the base. If you didn't push your cuticles back before you put the strips on and they're on there, that will cause them to lift at the base. Or some people have what we call invisible cuticles, and that can cause the lifting at the base as well. So if you're having that problem, you can just press it down with a little bit of nail polish remover and that'll press it right back down. My third tip for extending the life of your Color Street manicure is to either use Clearest Day. So this is like an additional clear coat that you can put over the top. So if you're really rough with your hands, if you're cleaning a lot, doing a lot of dishes, if you're a mom, this Clearest Day is really great. Me personally, I like doubling. So you get 16 strips and they're double ended, so you can use both sides. So technically it's 32. So it's enough to do a double coat on your nails. If you put like a clear overlay like I did on this hand, then you don't need to do that because you already have 2 coats. But if I'm doing especially solids, a lot of times I will do 2 coats. I'll do the first coat, wait a little bit, and then do the second coat, just like you would with wet nail polish, and that's going to make your mani last longer. I find that with glitters you don't typically need to do that because they really last a long time. They're thicker just by nature. The glitter is grittier and lasts longer, but a lot of times with the solids I like to do that double coat because it just gives it that extra protection, just like you would with regular wet nail polish straight out of a bottle. But this is also a great option that a lot of my customers like. And this actually has 2 full, completely sealed 16 strips in it. So it's actually 32. So it comes separated. So it's like 2 sets in one, and it's sealed individually. So you have your 16 strips and then another set of 16 strips sealed individually. So you can use that as an additional top coat on top of your Color Street manicure to make it last longer. Or you can just take the strips that you're not using because you get so many, you get those 16 strips, and double coat your solids. Those are my tips for extending your Color Street manicure. I will drop the link for the Clearest Day if you want to try it out. I'll put a link directly to it. So if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Let me know if you tried Color Street before or not. And if you would like a sample, go ahead and click that sample request form or let me know in the comments. Okay, guys, have a great day. Bye.